Why sync your fitness tracker?
Syncing your fitness tracker with health apps unlocks powerful features. It brings all your activity, sleep, and health data into one place, making it easier to track progress, set goals, and stay motivated. This integration can also offer deeper insights into your health habits and can help you share data with your doctor or personal trainer.
Preparing for syncing.
Start by checking compatibility between your fitness tracker and the apps you want to use. Download the latest version of your tracker's companion app, as well as the health or fitness app you plan to sync with. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device, and sign in or create accounts for both applications.
Connecting to Apple Health or Google Fit.
To sync with Apple Health or Google Fit, open your tracker's app and look for the Settings or Integration section. Select Apple Health or Google Fit, then grant permission to share your data. Follow any on-screen instructions to link accounts, and verify that your activity and health information begins appearing in the chosen app.
Syncing with other popular apps.
Popular health apps like MyFitnessPal, Strava, and Fitbit support syncing with various trackers. Open the app you want to sync, navigate to its Settings or Connections area, and choose your fitness tracker brand. Sign in if prompted, grant the necessary permissions, and confirm the apps can communicate. This usually enables automatic daily data transfers.
Troubleshooting and tips.
If syncing doesn't work, double-check your Bluetooth connection and app updates. Make sure the tracker and app are compatible and that you've granted all required permissions. Restart both devices if needed. For ongoing accuracy, periodically check connections and app settings, as software updates sometimes require you to reauthorize app data sharing.